The James Webb Telescope has quite recently sent a stunning message that has left all NASA researchers quiet. The biggest optical telescope in space has been noticing various parts of our tremendous universe for quite a long time, uncovering different peculiarities. However, the new picture has sent a wave through the universe of science and stargazing. What alarming picture has the James Webb Telescope caught? Could it have captured an alien space in the most distant ranges of space? Join us as we investigate the frightening new pictures that the James Webb Telescope has simply uncovered, pictures we have never seen previously. If you're keen on keeping in the know regarding news from the universe and its surroundings, subscribe to our channel. Be certain to like this video and turn on notifications. NASA's $10 billion James Webb Space Telescope was sent off from the European spaceport in French Guiana. Once it showed up at its new grandiose home, this infrared observatory has given dazzling perspectives on the universe to researchers and space experts. As the biggest and most advanced space telescope to date, researchers were thrilled to see the first scientific pictures caught by the telescope. However, what they saw almost left them frozen. When the James Webb turned its instruments toward the famous pillars of creation, it caught the renowned dust mists exhaustively. These support points are situated in the star grouping Serpens, around 7,000 light-years away from Earth. The pillars of creation are part of the Eagle Nebula, enormous clouds of gas and dust that were first shot by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1995. From that point forward, the phenomenal excellence of the support points has been revealed. The new photo caught by the James Webb Space Telescope uncovers the pillars of creation in even more significant subtlety. Several stars are noticeable that were not found in the past picture caught by Hubble, some of which formed too or a long time back. This represents an exceptional logical advancement. The James Webb Space Telescope has additionally scanned the supposed Pandora group in a shocking picture. Following Greek mythology, Pandora's Bunch is a region anticipated by Albert Einstein in 1915. These new pictures puzzle researchers as they uncover subtleties they knew nothing about in this area of space. However, it is significant to take note that this area of space has a formal name known as AEL 2744, which is part of the Pandora group. This group houses an assortment of unmistakable designs inside it. What is entrancing about this picture is that it's been seen before, however, just the focal center of space has been contemplated by the Hubble Space Telescope. This implies that many huge privileged insights still need to be found in this captivating region of space. Until the James Webb coordinated its strong infrared instrument into the area to observe the Pandora group, the observing group utilized the large telescope's near-infrared spectrograph and near-infrared camera as a feature of the profound observation program. Before the ionization epoch for descriptions were taken and afterward joined into an all-encompassing picture, this all-encompassing picture uncovered around 5,000 infrared light sources in the Pandora Bunch, which is around 3.5 billion light-years away. The picture caught by the James Webb Telescope achieved an impressive harmony among profundity and expansiveness, which could change our view of cosmic development. A feature of the picture is a brilliant foreground star in the small Magellanic Cloud whose extraordinary diffraction pinnacles were generated by the James Webb Space Telescope. Moreover, noticeable are brilliant sources of white light surrounded by a dim glow corresponding to substantially more distant systems inside the Pandora Bunch. Although human-created technology is essential to the observation of this system group, space experts also relied on a natural peculiarity proposed by Albert Einstein in his theory of gravity, known as general relativity, published in 1915. As well as fascinating disclosures that stimulate researchers and cosmologists, the James Webb Telescope has caught peculiar space peculiarities that even researchers can't fully figure out. One such puzzle is the mysterious concentric rings tracked down around a distant star, which still can't seem to be fully understood by cosmologists. The picture was posted on Twitter by a citizen scientist, generating a downpour of remarks and debate among the user community. The picture showed a star called W140 encircled by customary wave-like circles that gradually disappeared. What was striking, however, was that the circles were not perfectly round but had a rather square appearance. This immediately resulted in hypotheses about a potential extraterrestrial origin. However, some researchers argued that it was just nature performing something that seemed impossible seen from a solitary perspective. Sometimes natural peculiarities may seem exceptional from certain viewpoints but have straightforward explanations. Nevertheless, questions remain. Why do they have that particular shape, and why are they so regular? These questions have troubled researchers like Smith, who was not alone in being concerned about this mysterious picture. Mark, an interdisciplinary researcher with JWST Science Working Group and a science advisor to the European Space Agency, called it unusual in a Twitter thread. He figured out that the sharp blue structure is a relic due to optical diffraction from the bright star W140 in the picture. However, he noted that the red arc is real and represents a series of shells around W140 in space. Although NASA is supposed to make a statement soon, in everyday young stars will generally shine dazzling blue while over time they take on a more ruddy glow as they consume their fuel and cool. Stargazers didn't expect to see old red stars in the old galaxy for which the James Webb Space Telescope was built. Nor did they expect to see as more massive galaxies that could actually be up to 1 billion times more massive than the Sun. These red specks revealed in the pictures caught by the James Webb Space Telescope appear to be multiple times more massive. According to Joya, the most massive galaxies in our sample are estimated to have masses somewhere in the range of 2 and multiple times less than that of the Milky Way. This discovery is shocking since galaxies as massive as our own were found when the universe was just 3% of its current age. Leah, moreover, mentioned that before astronomers begin adjusting cosmological theories to figure out how these galaxies came together so quickly after the Big Bang, they will need to ensure that the odd red dots they are observing are not something else. However, alternative explanations would also require entirely new ideas. For example, stars in the early universe could generate light in extraordinary ways due to a lack of heavy elements which are not synthesized in our models. The pictures that revealed these complex galaxies were captured by the near-infrared camera as part of the vast early release science program. The team plans to return soon to these galaxies and the mirror to get spectra of light from distant points. The spectra break down the observed light according to its arrangement into frequencies, thus revealing the composition and physical properties of its source. Most critically, the spectra give very accurate distances to these objects. The distance and nature of these objects are associated, and if we know the distance, we can nail down the nature and vice versa. Leah states, only 6 months after Webb's team made the first observations public, researchers are being compelled to rewrite theories about the early universe. Observing the early universe for the first time led us to discover something so surprising that it fundamentally poses problems for science in general, as it raises questions about the whole picture of early galaxy formation. One more astounding picture caught by the James Webb Space Telescope shows the phantom universe, which looks like a whirlpool spinning before our eyes. This new picture, based on deep space data, highlights the dust paths of galaxy NGC 628 or M74, also known as the perfect spiral due to its symmetry. The phantom universe is intriguing from a scientific perspective because of that's what moderate mass dark hole scientists believe is at its center. Although the phantom universe has been imaged various times, including by space observatories such as the Hubble Space Telescope and the Spitzer Space Telescope, the Webb images stand out due to the near-infrared French that revealed astronomical dust combined with the power of its exceptional 18-segment hexagonal mirror and its location in deep space. The James Webb Telescope, hailed as one of the most ambitious projects in space exploration, keeps on bewildering scientists with its exceptional capabilities and discoveries. Sent off with a mission to unveil the deepest secrets of the universe, Webb has not disappointed in its initial observations. From capturing the intricate details of distant galaxies to revealing previously hidden peculiarities, Webb's contributions to astronomy are rewriting the textbooks of our understanding. One of the telescope's outstanding accomplishments is its ability to peer further into space than any other instrument before it. By harnessing its advanced infrared technology and utilizing a massive 18-segment mirror, Webb has opened a new realm of exploration. Unlike its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, which primarily operated in the visible and bright range, Webb's infrared capabilities allow it to penetrate cosmic dust clouds and observe celestial objects hidden from optical telescopes. This capability proved crucial in its observations of the famous pillars of creation within the Eagle Nebula. Webb's infrared gaze revealed unprecedented details of these massive columns of gas and dust where new stars are born. The telescope's ability to see through the thick nebular